True distinction does not announce itself. It is built deliberately in the smallest details. This is the principle behind Masria for metal industries, founded in 2014 and built on decades of accumulated industrial expertise. From the very beginning, growth was never the objective. It was the natural result of disciplined operations, continuous development, and a deep understanding of real market demands. Today, with a production capacity exceeding 500 tons per month, we deliver over 30,000 cartons of nails in a wide range of sizes and applications, manufactured with consistency, accuracy, and efficiency at scale. Our product portfolio includes plastic-collated nails, produced at a 20-degree angle, as well as wire-collated coils, manufactured at 15 degrees or more. Every product is engineered to precise technical standards, tested for durability, and designed to perform reliably under the toughest working conditions. We lead our business with strong, uncompromising principles that ensure trust and quality. We believe development has no limits and no end, driving continuous innovation to deliver reliable solutions and real value to our business partners. Beyond manufacturing, we focus on long-term partnerships built on transparency, reliability, and shared success. By combining industrial discipline with forward-thinking innovation, we respond to market demands with speed, adapt to change with confidence, and continue raising the benchmark for quality and performance. Together, we don't simply meet expectations, we consistently move beyond them. Masria for metal industries. Industrial strength you can rely on, engineered for today and built for what's next.